Guys, welcome back to my new session for SAP HCM and English. Okay, so guys, today's session is very small session. Okay, that is related to assignment of fiscal year to your company code and chart of account. So why I'm telling you this thing? Okay, so actually, fiscal year and chart of account is created by FICO consultant assigned by them also. Okay, so somebody says, hey, why are you creating financial year chart of account? So why other trainers are you teaching company and company code? Because these two object also is created by FICO consultant in real-time basis, okay? Because these two things are very important because without company and company code, you are not able to do any kind of configuration. And similarly here as well, okay? If you're, let's say you are creating one company code and you are doing implementation for SAP HCM, but nobody is going to create FICO's related mandatory thing, which is required for SAP HCM. Okay, so if you don't have your fiscal year variant or assigned to your company code or any chart of account assigned to your company code, so you are not able to do any kind of, you will not able to, you are not you are not be able to hire any person, you are not able to run any payroll time, okay, because these things are very important, okay, but in real time basis FICO consultant then did all this does all this configuration related to FICO, but here nobody is going to do for us. That's why I'm teaching you, okay? So the simple thing, you just have to go to uh, SPRO/n SPRO. What I'm doing, I'm not wasting time to no, to teach you how to create fiscal year variant and chart of account. If you want to learn this, I have created three videos. Okay, the same. One is for material management, one is for FICO, and one is for SAP HCM in Hindi. Okay, you can go and check how to create fiscal year and chart of account. Okay, but what I'm doing, I'm just assigning my company code, one financial year, one chart of account. So SAP is given us by default fiscal year. Let's say K4 is for Jan to December fiscal year, V3 is for April to March fiscal year, for July to June we have V6, and for October to September we have V9. Okay, we have standard. Okay, so I'm doing configuration for Indian perspective, so I'm using V3, you know. Okay, so here I will go here and I will go to ledgers, and under ledgers we have fiscal year and posting period, and here I will go to assignment option only, and here I will search for my company code PRB1, enter, and here I will assign V3 SAP standard fiscal year. Okay, so my April to March and 4 special period, and click on Save tab. Now, next thing I have to assign, wait, minimize this fiscal, and for chart of account, we have to come here, general ledger, master data, and GL accounts, preparations. Under preparation, you have to go to assign company code to chart of account. So I have created one chart of account for configuration, FICO configuration. So I'm just assigning the same ledger account, chart of account. Okay. So PRB1, enter. And here I will assign GCOA. Okay, so I've created all these now. I've used this chart of account in my different company code, but I'm using here, okay, because I need, and click on Save tab. One more thing, in my last practical, I have used two IDs to create the enterprise structure. One is Madhav, one is O. But I haven't saw no, uh, I will show you. Okay, so S/N SE10 is an option from where we can check transport organization, and I have to click on display. So I will minimize this. This is workbench request, and here SAP implementation. So this folder have two guys, but see why Madhav is not showing any changes in SOG Hermit. We are see there are lots of things na, which SOG Hermit has done, but I have created company code from mother, but why is not showing here? Because I have saved in different folder. So let's say I will create, let's say I will change. Wait, I will system log out and click on here. Sorry, mother, enter. Let me check SC10 Madhav, and I want to check only customizing request. So I think, see, I have assigned in this. So Madhav, no, this is not used. I think this is thing, company code, company code. So I will check this. No, not this folder. So it might be this folder. No, it is not here. So where are the changes? These are the things. Which folder it's gone? Here we don't have changes. Here we have changes. So we have created only company code there now. So why it's not showing us? We are seeing only KN1. One more folder. Let's minimize this. Here we don't have changes. Here again we don't have changes. So let me do one thing. /n SPRO, and instead of GCOA, I will choose SAP Standards Chart of Account. So I will go there. I will do GL accounts, preparations, assign company code, search for PRB1. And instead of GCOA, which we have created right now from SOG Hermit, I will give here INT. This is SAP's standard chart of account. So sorry, again, wait, I haven't changed. So let me create one thing here. Inventory, and let's say PRB PC. Let's say English is language, enter, and COA. And let's say chart of account, and length is 08, and let's just say PSO is already COAP, enter, and click on save tab. Now, right now, I will choose that folder Prabhu and click on save tab. Now you will see, let's say /n MES SE10 and display. And if you click here, let's see now you will. So whatever Madhav is creating and saving in this folder, you will be able to find you will be able to find here. And so here you will find SOGFN. So each and everything which we are creating is in one folder. And from here, we have to click on, we have to release from here. Okay. We have to click once, you will be getting one tick mark here, one tick mark here. And again, you have to click, then system will show you that folder are ready to release. Then you have to create one transport request, whatever software you are using, whatever communication tool you are using. Let's say in IBM, in my company, we use a ticketing tool to create. Let's say I copy this folder. Let's say I have finished my work with this table, this number, and please kindly transport this folder to client server or testing server. Okay. Then only basis consultant will be able to transfer that folder. If you don't release from here, and how will basis consultant know that you want to transport that changes to client server? If you have created all these things, but you haven't transferred to client server, the system will not be able to see that changes. Okay. So this is the very important thing. Okay. So this is it for today's session. Okay. The most important thing, to assign fiscal year and chart of account to your company code. That is very important. Okay. And if you don't assign these things to your company code, or so you will not be able to hire an employee. Okay. So see, I will show you. Let's say, and PA30. And here I will search, let's say, one employee. This is the employee. Enter. This is Om Prakash. And see, organizational assignment, I want to check this. And here you will be fine, payroll area and all. But you will not be able to save this until unless these two things are assigned to your company and company code. Whenever you say system, your system will show there is no chart of account, there is no fiscal year. So you have to go to back there and assign these. Okay. But the thing, the other trainer will, what they do, they copy from existing. Let's say I have told you now, while creating company code, we have two options. From one, we can copy all the configuration from one company to our company. So they always use that option. So they have created all this thing on that. So that's why they are not getting any kind of error, because each and everything is copied to your now new company. That's why you are not getting error. But if you have to create new one, so why then how you can assign? So you must be aware that this is the thing. This is very important. Okay. So guys, this is it for today. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share into your span. Okay. It will, so if my channel will grow, I will definitely will bring a lots of videos related to SAP HCM in English. Okay. Related to PCRs and all. So my first task is to complete SAP HCM training in Hindi and English. So, okay. So that's why, okay, so please do subscribe and share into your span. Okay, and if you like my video, please keep tuning for next videos. I will upload that video very soon. Bye bye. Take care.